Tired of your network gear looking like a tangled mess in your server rack? This little piece of kit from Rackmount.IT might just be the answer you've been searching for. It's a 1U rack mount shelf specifically designed for certain Cisco Meraki appliances, like the MX68, MX68W, MX68CW, and even the MX75. Now I know what you're thinking, another rack shelf, what's so special? Well, Rackmount.IT has really focused on making your life easier here. The biggest win is how they bring all those network connections to the front. Seriously, no more fumbling around the back of the rack trying to plug in a console cable or a network connection. It's all right there, easily accessible, which is a huge time saver, especially when you're in a pinch. They've also thought about airflow. The custom cutouts are designed to prevent overheating, which is crucial for keeping your network running smoothly. Installation is surprisingly quick. They claim 2 to 5 minutes, and honestly, it feels that way. They even include all the necessary hardware, bolts, hex keys, zip ties, port labels, and a clear assembly guide. It's a really thoughtful touch that makes the whole process almost painless. This isn't just for the big guys either. Whether you're a small business owner, a large corporation, or even a government agency, if you're using compatible Meraki devices, this shelf can seriously tidy up your setup and improve your network management. Rackmount.IT seems to have a real knack for identifying those everyday IT frustrations and creating smart, practical solutions. It's a well-built, cleverly designed product that delivers on its promises. For anyone looking to bring order and accessibility to their Cisco Meraki devices in a 19-inch rack, this is a solid, no-nonsense upgrade.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.